Hi, this is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and I wanted to show you something I found on Amazon. This is a watercolor paint set, and I was going to do an unboxing for you. I found this in their overstock section, so I think I paid like $13 for it or something like that. I really don't know about the quality. It looked interesting, so I thought I'd unbox it and share it with you, and then I will put I'll put a link in the comments below so you can see. But I was really interested in what looked like it was going to be a good quality. So here it is closed, and then when we open it up, it has the mixing area here that actually lifts off and is removable with some little feet, because it fits into the paint into the box itself. So there's that, and then it comes with replaceable sponges, and then also a card showing you what all the different cakes are that are in here. And so if we remove the protective paper, it comes with 2 water pens. And then this is where the sponges go. And then these are all the little cakes that are in here. And I believe that they are removable. Yeah, okay. So they're removable. This is what they look like. And then I believe the little cake even comes out itself so that you can replace it. So 48 colors. They also had a 28 color version. I think it wasn't available at the time that I bought this. So I have a couple of other watercolor sets. I don't know about the quality of the paint or how it's going to work, but I thought I would give it a go because of the compact size and all of the equipment that comes with it. So in the future, I will do a tutorial on using this kit, but I just wanted to show it to you and see if you might be interested in getting your own. It's very compact, easy to take with you. Of course, it doesn't want to shut with those extra foam pads in there. There we go. So compact, closed, easy to take with you. Oh, look at this, so that you can put your hand in there and hold it like a palette. Or if you want, I suppose you could use it to stand up, although that's not very stable. Maybe that direction, I don't know, if you wanted it at an angle for some reason, but definitely to put your hand in that and hold on to it so you can paint with one hand and hold the paint palette in the other. So really clever packaging there. And like I said, I'll put the link down below, and I will double check on the pricing and put that in as well.